This was so smart, Pops. Great work, guys. And I'm looking crazy. But this is the first step of the process for me. Like, I feel like if I do the hardest stuff first, you know, the most challenging stuff to pack, if I do that first, it's easier for me. Because the little stuff, my bathroom, my little office stuff over here, like my drawers and stuff like that, that's gonna be easy. But the clothes, I'm very funny when it comes to my closet, how I want it to be organized. And then the U-Haul pod that we ordered is not going to be to the apartment until 2 weeks from now. So I have to make sure I have like swimsuits and underwear and jackets and just enough stuff that's going to last me for our road trip and the next 2 weeks. So please pray for me. Okay? Because honestly, I'm not stressed. I was just telling my friend this, like, I have peace. Like, God has literally given me so much peace because I know he's behind all of this. Ooh, y'all gonna have to excuse my little pimple patch. Got a little bum. But, you know, I know God is behind all of this, so I just have so much peace, even though I got a lot to do. But, you know, pray for me. And I'll let y'all know how this progress is going. So y'all know the same way I packed a few years ago when I came from, when I went from Detroit to Cali, I just put all my clothes in vacuum seal bags, which I usually put them in the bags based on the color that they, you know, I organize my closet via color. So I put like dark colors in a bag. I put like the light pinks and the dark pinks in a bag. I put the blues in the bag. The reds is at the bottom of that bag too, I think. And then I put the whites and the nudes in a bag. I don't know why it's a green shirt in there. Oh, that's a jacket that got green in it, but it's mostly white. So yeah, you know, I just put all my clothes in vacuum seal bags. And of course, when everything is packed, I'm gonna vacuum the air out. But y'all see how many clothes I got. This shit is ridiculous. Still haven't figured out how I'm gonna pack this, but we making progress. I pretty much am just taking everything out my room so I could break my bed down, break my desk down. I still gotta situate this stuff on top of my desk. I packed my like overnight bag for, you know, when we're on the road and stuff like that. So it's looking good in here. Closet is completely empty. I took everything out. Everything. So on this side, this is stuff that I'm gonna take with me, and this over here is stuff that I'm gonna pack up and put in the truck. I might even still have to narrow this down because this is kind of a lot of stuff. And of course I still need to like sort through my jewelry as well, because I'm not taking, you know, I'm not gonna pack all of that stuff. I do need to take some jewelry. And look at me, I look a hot mess. But yeah, So hopefully my goal is to be done with all of this stuff by lunchtime. If I could finish this by lunchtime, then I could get started on the garage. I'm not gonna put, I was gonna put all of these screws in a little bag, but you know how screws be different in different sizes or whatever, and I don't want to get confused. So I'm gonna just tape the screws to where they're supposed to go, if that makes sense, because I don't want nothing to get lost and I don't want nothing to get mixed up. So as I take it out, I'm just gonna tape it on there. To drop my mattresses over the balcony.
Where's Charles at?
With my dad at the bottom. This was so smart, Pops. Great work, guys.
Productions.
I am officially a Dallas Texan. So make sure y'all click the like button if you like this video, subscribe because I will be dropping more, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.